Depression has been defined as a morbid sadness, melancholy, or dejection, a lowering of spirits, a loss of interest in the normal activities of life. The patient feels a diminished energy level, he feels hopeless, he sheds tears, he feels guilty for no reason, he wakes up early and cannot go back to sleep. He cannot concentrate or take decisions, loses self-esteem, feels as if he or she is good for nothing. He fears death, loses weight, reduced interest in sex. He should be taken good care of. Give him or her hope, encouragement and reassurance. Make her feel wanted, loved. In homeopathy, we prescribe Aconite 30 when there is great fear, anxiety without any basis. There is restlessness, numbness. In cases of lack of appetite and indigestion, alpha mother tincture 15 drops 5 times daily are advised. Loss of self-confidence, afraid to be left alone, requires Lycopodium 200. A person spells wrong, his mental faculties are failing, there is depression because of suffering in chronic diseases. The medicine required is Natrum Mur 200. And if the depression is a result of hangover after a lot of drinking, Nux Vomica 200 ought to be given. There is disturbance in sleep early morning. In cases of melancholy, a person who fears failure, he is irrationally nervous, give Argentine Nitricum 200. If a person is crushed by successive sicknesses, Carboveg 200 is of great help. And if there is total debility because of lot of discharges from the body of any liquids, China 200 is a pickup medicine. Of course, in all depression, Arnica 200 helps. The dosage is always 4 pills on the dry tongue 4 times a day. Thank you for listening to this video.